everyone. For an arithmetic sequence, the sum of the first n terms, this sequence, we're looking at an arithmetic sequence a sub n, and the first n terms is 2n squared plus 3n, and then we're going to find the value of the sum for this sequence here, a sub 3 all the way to a sub 15, and that's exactly 5 terms. So basically what we're going to do first, we want to find a sub n. If I can find a sub n, then I can use my formula and find this sum here. All right. So basically we're going to first find a sub 2n, because that's what we have here. I'm going to rewrite this sequence as a sub 2 plus a sub 4 plus we have a sub 6. I'm going to skip that for now. Now, the term that happens before a sub 2n is a sub 2n minus 2. The next one would be a sub 2n, because you keep adding 2 to get to this 2n. All right, so if I do that, this sum here is going to be 2n squared plus 3n. Now, if I take this sum here and subtract it from this sum, I will find out what this last value is. So I'm taking the sum of the whole and subtracting everything in front of it. So basically a sub 2 plus a sub 4 plus a sub 6 plus dot 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 plus, and I can write this as a sub 2 times n minus 1, because it's going by 2's, right? We already have the 2 there. So all you're going to do is take 2, take your formula, and everywhere there's an n, substitute in n minus 1. All right, and now what we're going to do is subtract these two. So I'm going to take this whole sum, subtract the smaller sum, so I can find this value here, the last term. So this is going to be 2n squared plus 3n, and then you're going to subtract this part. So let's take care of that. It's going to be 2 times n squared minus 2n plus 1 plus 3n minus 3. Let's simplify this. We're going to get 2n squared plus 3n. I hope I can do this right. So this is going to be minus 2n squared. This is going to be plus 4n. Then you're going to have minus 2, right? You have to distribute that 2. Okay, then we have plus, and it's going to be minus now. Distribute this negative, so minus 3n plus 3. Oh, let's see if I did that right. All right, so these cancel out. These cancel out. So basically this is going to equal 4n plus 1. So that's what a sub 2n equals, 4n plus 1. Now to get a sub n, which is what we want, we're going to substitute in 1/2 n. So basically, if I take a sub 2n, so I'm going to substitute in 1/2 n for my n here. So it's going to be 2 times 1/2 n. Kind of looks funny, but there you go. That's going to equal a sub n, right? Because when you multiply these two, you get a sub n. So this is going to equal 4 times, and you take this formula, 1/2 n plus 1, and this gives you 2n plus 1. All right, so now we have a sub n. Now that we have that, we can use our formula and find our sum. So basically, we have a sub n equals 2n plus 1. That means my first term, or let's just do a sub 3, is going to be 2 times 3 plus 1. That equals 7. And my a sub 15 equals 2 times 15 plus 1. That equals 31. So basically, we have 5 terms, so your n equals 5. So we're going to take a sub 3 plus a sub 6 plus a sub 9 plus a sub 12 plus a sub 15. I'm using this formula here, so the formula is S sub n equals n times the first term plus the last term divided by 2. So for us, that's going to be 5 times 7 plus 31 divided by 2, and this equals 95. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.